Hey there, fellow Bitcoin traders and enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you all the exciting updates from the world of Bitcoin trading. Today, we have some thrilling news to share with you as all eyes are glued to the market, eagerly watching for a potential symmetrical triangle breakout in Bitcoin's price. Now, if you're not familiar with a symmetrical triangle breakout, let me break it down for you. This pattern is formed when two trendlines converge, creating a triangular shape. It signifies a period of consolidation, which is usually followed by an explosive price movement. And that's exactly why Bitcoin enthusiasts and traders are on the edge of their seats right now. We're all eagerly anticipating whether this breakout will propel the price of Bitcoin towards the key resistance level of $27,600. Now, you might be wondering, why is today's market activity so crucial for Bitcoin investors? Well, my friends, it's because today holds the potential for significant gains. Every move, every trade, and every decision made during this breakout could have a substantial impact on the future of Bitcoin. So, let's not waste any more time. It's time to delve into the analysis and predictions surrounding this symmetrical triangle breakout and explore how it could shape Bitcoin's price trajectory. First off, let's talk about the technical analysis. Many experts are closely examining the chart patterns, support, and resistance levels to get a sense of where Bitcoin might be headed. Some analysts believe that the breakout could lead to a bullish rally, while others remain cautious, considering the volatility of the cryptocurrency market. Additionally, we can't overlook the fundamental factors influencing Bitcoin's price. News events, regulatory developments, and adoption by institutions all play a significant role in shaping the market sentiment. Now, let's not forget about the community. Bitcoin's vibrant community is always buzzing with activity. We're seeing discussions about the potential impact of this breakout on the long-term adoption of Bitcoin, debates about its relationship with other cryptocurrencies, and even predictions about the future role of decentralized finance in the Bitcoin ecosystem. As we navigate through this exciting time, it's important to keep in mind that trading and investing in Bitcoin come with risks. While the potential for significant gains is high, it's crucial to stay informed, manage risks effectively, and make decisions based on thorough research. That wraps up our analysis and predictions for this symmetrical triangle breakout in Bitcoin's price. Remember, the cryptocurrency market is always full of surprises, and no one can predict the future with absolute certainty. However, by staying informed and understanding the factors at play, you can make more informed trading decisions. We'll be diving into the unexpected pause in U.S. debt ceiling talks and the regulatory changes in Hong Kong. Let's jump right in. First up, we have the unexpected pause in U.S. debt ceiling talks. This development has sparked uncertainty and raised fears of a possible default. Now, you might be wondering, how does this connect to Bitcoin? Well, in times of economic instability, Bitcoin has often been seen as a hedge against traditional markets. The cryptocurrency's decentralized nature and limited supply make it an attractive option for investors seeking protection from potential financial turmoil. Therefore, with the uncertainty surrounding the U.S. debt ceiling, it is anticipated that Bitcoin's appeal may increase. As investors seek alternative assets, the demand for Bitcoin could rise, potentially driving up its price. Now, let's switch gears and discuss the regulatory changes happening in Hong Kong. The Securities and Futures Commission, SFC, is preparing to allow licensed platforms to cater to retail investors. This is a significant development for the cryptocurrency industry. With this regulatory change, it opens up opportunities for regulated platforms to operate in Hong Kong. This, in turn, may encourage greater investor participation in the cryptocurrency market, including Bitcoin. As more regulated platforms enter the market and offer services to retail investors, it could lead to increased confidence and adoption. The availability of regulated avenues may attract more individuals to invest in Bitcoin, potentially influencing its price positively. Now, before we wrap up, it's essential to remember that the analysis and predictions discussed here are based on current information and market trends. However, we must interpret them with caution, as the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and subject to rapid changes. The bullish US dollar and its impact on BTC. Let's dive right in. Recently, the US dollar has reached its highest level since March 20th, and this poses potential limitations on the upward trajectory of Bitcoin. But why is the US dollar gaining strength, and how does it affect BTC? The hawkish comments from Federal Reserve (Fed) officials have played a significant role in bolstering the US dollar. These comments suggest expectations of higher interest rates in the near future, which have attracted investors to the US dollar and, in turn, weighed on the performance of Bitcoin. Additionally, the anticipation of a debt ceiling agreement in the US and the rise in US Treasury bond yields have further supported the strength of the US dollar. As investors seek safe haven assets, the US dollar becomes an attractive choice, diverting some attention away from Bitcoin. Given these factors, it's expected that the bullish US dollar will exert a negative impact on the performance of Bitcoin. The strong dollar may create headwinds for BTC's upward momentum, as it becomes relatively more expensive to invest in Bitcoin compared to holding US dollars. Now, it's important to note that the relationship between the US dollar and Bitcoin is complex and influenced by various factors. While a bullish US dollar may pose challenges for Bitcoin in the short term, the crypto market has shown resilience and the ability to bounce back from such hurdles. Furthermore, it's crucial to remember that the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, and the performance of Bitcoin is driven by a multitude of factors. While the US dollar's strength may currently influence BTC's momentum, it's essential to keep an eye on other market developments and trends. Marathon Digital Holdings and their support for Bitcoin core development. Let's dive right in. During the recently concluded Bitcoin 2023 conference, Marathon Digital Holdings, a prominent Bitcoin mining company, made a significant announcement that caught the attention of the crypto community. Marathon Digital Holdings has pledged their support for the development of Bitcoin Core client software. To demonstrate their commitment, they have also announced a 2-for-1 matching scheme for donations made to Brink, a non-profit organization dedicated to Bitcoin protocol development. This means that for every dollar donated to Brink, Marathon Digital Holdings will contribute an additional $2, up to a total of $500,000. This financial support provides crucial stability for Bitcoin Core developers who often rely on grants to fund their work. Marathon Digital Holdings' initiative sets a commendable example for other companies in the cryptocurrency industry. It emphasizes the importance of actively supporting the ongoing development of Bitcoin and strengthening its underlying technology. This news highlights the significance of ongoing technological advancements in the Bitcoin ecosystem. Improvements and innovations in the Bitcoin Core client software play a crucial role in enhancing the security, scalability, and overall functionality of the network. As we've seen in the past, positive developments in Bitcoin's technology can have a ripple effect on its price. The industry's recognition and support for ongoing development efforts contribute to the overall confidence and stability of the market. The response from the industry has been overwhelmingly positive, with many expressing their appreciation for Marathon Digital Holdings' commitment to Bitcoin Core development. This announcement has also created a ripple effect, inspiring potential additional donations from other companies and individuals alike. This collaborative effort to enhance Bitcoin's funding ecosystem and foster innovation sets the stage for continued growth and progress in the cryptocurrency industry. Presidential support. Robert F. Kennedy Jr. and Tulsi Gabbard, two influential Democratic presidential candidates in the United States, recently made headlines at the Bitcoin 2023 conference by voicing their strong support for Bitcoin's core principles of decentralization and privacy. Their defense of Bitcoin shed light on the lack of clear crypto guidance and burdensome regulations that currently exist in the United States, hindering the full potential of the cryptocurrency industry. Kennedy, known for his background in environmental law and civil rights advocacy, struck a chord with the Bitcoin community by expressing his support for Bitcoin ownership and cautioning against excessive government control over decentralized digital currencies. In a significant move, Kennedy became the first presidential candidate to embrace Bitcoin donations, further cementing his commitment to the cryptocurrency space. While the endorsements from Kennedy and Gabbard certainly enhance Bitcoin's reputation and bring attention to its transformative ideals, the direct impact on its price remains uncertain. The value of Bitcoin is influenced by a multitude of factors, including broader market dynamics and investor sentiment. Nevertheless, the support of high-profile figures like Kennedy and Gabbard reinforces the growing recognition and acceptance of Bitcoin as a legitimate financial and technological innovation. Their advocacy contributes to the ongoing conversation about the importance of fostering a supportive regulatory environment for cryptocurrencies, allowing them to flourish and benefit society as a whole. As the 2023 presidential race unfolds and more candidates express their positions on cryptocurrencies, it will be interesting to see how these discussions shape the future of Bitcoin and its adoption on a broader scale. Bitcoin price. Bitcoin, BTC, is showing no signs of slowing down as it continues its upward momentum, maintaining robust support above the $27,000 level. At this moment, it is trading at an impressive $27,310, accompanied by a notable 24-hour trading volume of $14 billion. In the past few hours, BTC has experienced a surge of nearly 2%, reflecting the positive sentiment prevalent in the cryptocurrency market. This upward trend is fueled by the prevailing risk-on attitude among investors, which is driving the overall value of cryptocurrencies. The global market capitalization of cryptocurrencies has surpassed an impressive milestone, reaching over $1.14 trillion. This extraordinary growth rate exceeds 2.5%, highlighting the increasing interest and confidence in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin is currently making waves with its exciting surge in price, surpassing key resistance levels within the range of $27,000 to $27,200. This significant breakthrough is supported by the presence of a symmetrical triangle pattern and a bullish trendline, indicating a strong momentum in the market. As Bitcoin sets its sights on surpassing the resistance level at $27,650, the potential for further gains is substantial, with targets reaching as high as $28,300. Technical indicators such as the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, further reinforce the bullish sentiment. The RSI has successfully crossed above the 50 thresholds, signaling a positive momentum, while the MACD remains comfortably in positive territory above zero. Moreover, the 50-day exponential moving average acts as a reliable support level at $26,800, providing added confidence in Bitcoin's upward trajectory. It is advisable to closely monitor the $27,200 level, as a breakthrough at this point could signify the continuation of Bitcoin's impressive ascent. As always, it's important to remember that the cryptocurrency market can be highly volatile, and it's essential to conduct thorough research and exercise caution before making any investment decisions. So, what are your thoughts on this potential breakout? Are you excited about the possibilities it holds, or do you have a more cautious approach? Let us know in the comments below.